자, 카메라 롤 큐.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Hi, thank you so much for joining. Okay,
Hello.
yes. Hi, Judy. Hi, everyone. So I think there are only four of you that has been very successful with learn. It's really a struggle. So actually, we are so proud of you because you made it to that very first step of learning a new app. Because that's how VA should be, right? So thank you so much for being so techie on that side because you really tried to use this app and you are here. You are very early. Another thing is that you are very early, and that is also one major characteristic that we should have, even not just of VA, but in all jobs in general, right? So hooray! Thank you so much. So proud of you guys. So, again, I welcome you all here to our very first this afternoon. First is, yung first na first is, this is the first soft launch of our Aspiring VAs Bootcamp here in T and Covert Law Assistance. And this is also our first free session for this bootcamp. So, yeah, wala kayong binayaran, walang hidden charges later. All free ito. So, our topic for this very first free session is expectations versus reality. What aspiring VAs need to know before anything else. So, for this session, we will have this flow. So, take a look at your screen so you are guided. Let me introduce myself. So before we go too far into the session, I am Tamara, or you can call me Tam. I am a VA since 2013. I started my first VA job a year after I graduated. But it's a local company pa rin, but I'm a VA. So there's an office. I really didn't have any experience back then. So, I was trained like siguro mga 1 week lang ata yun na training. And then after that, we were interviewed by the client, and then the client chose me compared to the others who already have, who are older than me and who already have a prior experience. So that was really challenging for me. That was my very first client, an Australian client. So I was very thankful that he chose me over the others who have experience, right? So I think in this VA journey, we'll talk about we'll talk more about that later. But yeah, it will start from that point na someone will choose you talaga. May pipili talaga sa'yo. Mapipili ka talaga kahit may experience ka man o wala. So there would really be someone who will trust you even though you don't have prior experience. So that is what happened to me. And then after Hi, Judy.
Hi, everyone. I am Judy. So, I started being a VA, I think last 2020 talaga. Like, nag-start ako na mag-VA lang talaga, home base and everything. And then, I started with the help of Tam, of course. And then, and then also nag-start ako noon as a transcriptionist. Transcriptionist pa ako and then it was a project-based. So, yung transcriptionist is parang ano yun, mga 2018 I think. So, nagwo-work pa ako no'n sa corporate and then may side hustle na yung transcription. So, ayun. And then, after that, 2020, ayun, pandemic happens and everything like that. So ayun, tinulungan pa rin ako ni Tam na maka-land ng, my first ever job as a, something podcast, editor, ayun. So ayun, dun ko parang parang nasimulan talaga yung journey ko as a VA, ayun. So, thank you sa Thank you for listening. And also, yes, T and Co. So T and Co, a short background lang. So as Tam mentioned earlier, diba, we were founded last 2021. Um, Yun, it all started when we wanted to have friends and family during the pandemic kasi ayun na nga, maraming nawalan ng trabaho and then they're asking Tam ayun, on how to be a VA, parang gano'n. So ayun, parang kaya hanggang sa binuo namin 'tong team and then we call our team T Community, ayun.
Okay, so why are we doing this boot camp at the first place? Well, as you know, today's fast-paced and ever-evolving digital world, VAs have become indispensable assets. However, the role of a VA is far from being a mere routine job. It's a unique career path that demands a specific set of skills, a proactive mindset, and the ability to adapt to diverse challenges. So, kakaiba, we can say na kakaiba siya na job. This is precisely why our boot camp exists, because we understand that becoming a VA requires more than just admin skills. It demands adaptability, effective communication, and a deep understanding on what this is really about and what the job is.
Our first question is why this topic for this first session? So, it's because being a VA is very important. This is a very important topic because these are the very basic things we need to tackle and you need to know about even before pushing to become a VA. So after this, you can decide which path are you most ano talaga parang destined to be with being a VA ba or being in a corporate world. Why we choose the Mindanao first? So because as we said earlier, as we mentioned, T and Co is based. We are located here in Davao, right? So we wanted to hit the home court first before we open this to other. But then we still have other sites open, kaya we opened this to our fellow Filipino from Visayas na din. So why free? Okay, so why free? So we wanted to give back to all our online audience and supporters. Also, as a part of our advocacy, which is to help our Filipino, I'm sorry, to help our fellow Filipino, especially aspiring VAs like you guys. So that's why we started this bootcamp as a free session.
Ayun na nga. So, speaking of Mindanao and Visayas, let's see again because we have a new member. So, mostly Mindanao naman, di ba? So, for sure, kabalo man ta Bisaya, sagot man ta. So, Bisaya na lang. Bisaya sa ta, kay para relax lang. Here in our team sa T&Co, we also make sure na relax lang even on our interviews with applicants. And even our talk with clients, we really make sure na relax lang, chill, murag friends lang. So I think it will be better if magbisaya lang ta this afternoon para chill. Mas ma-feel natin na chill, di ba? With Mary's baby ganina. And kinsa pa pwede niyo i-join dira, mga ano niya, dogs, cats, siya. So, ayun, para relax lang ta and mas makasabot yun ta, di ba? Because this is really important. This first session is really important kay, yun na nga, ang topic is expectation versus reality. We will know the basics good before we decide on if we really want to become a VA or unsa man na pagka-VA po na nga to ang sudlan, di ba? Okay, so let's have an overview of the VA world lang. Very quick lang ni siya. Okay, great. So the VA industry has experienced significant growth and transformation over the past decade. Yeah, Lori is currently a VA. Great. Hi, Lori. Okay. So VAs are independent professionals or remote workers who provide a wide range of admin, technical, creative, or personal support services to businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals. So here is an overview of the VA world. First, we do offer, as mentioned, diverse services. So there's an array of services including admin tasks. So under admin, you can do email management, scheduling sa calendar, like mga meetings, ganon. Or appointments ni client, or sa tibok company, events, kanang schedule ninyo, or data entry. Data entry means kanang mga nalaki type, di ba? Mga basic lang, isulat sa doc, sa sheet. Okay, so those are admin tasks na usually gina-offer or ginabuhat sa mga VAs. And then we also have content creation. So under content creation, you write captions, or you write a blog, a full blog, graphic design, social media management, all that. Customer support, it can be voice, kanang magtawag jud, di ba, na magsurigid sa client, or non-voice, like through email or through chat. And we also do bookkeeping. So, kanang bookkeeping, siguro sa tanan na i-mention ako karon kana ang never pa na ako nabuhat. Because I'm not really into numbers. But yeah, for bookkeeping, kana sa invoices sa client, if kanang na ay products ang client, ay ang business ni client, or na ay services, so naga-send og mga invoices, gina-keep, and then ginabuhatan og kanang basic accounting tasks. And more of that, actually, daghan patag pwede pa jud na ma-offer as VAs. So that's why it's called diverse, na it's really a wide area na we can cover, and we have diverse services to offer. So the others, ang urban VAs, they specialize in specific niches like real estate, or e-commerce, or tech, in technology, like apps or whatever, websites. And okay. So next, remote work. So VAs work remotely, often from home or co-working spaces, using digital tools and technology to communicate with clients and perform tasks. So this remote nature of the job allows for flexibility and often eliminates geographic boundaries. So
Okay, so freelancers and agencies. So freelancers and agencies, VAs can operate as solo freelancers or be part of VA agencies or teams. So agencies may offer a broader range of services and have a pool of VAs with various skill sets to cater to different clients' needs. So yeah, so for most of us, parang like me and Tom, may din kami, may mga job outside. So like mga freelancers kami, and then also this TNCO, we call this a team. We don't really call this as an agency, pero parang gano'n na din siya. So, and then agency, some of the agencies, 'di ba, they offer din na maraming services, and then parang parang if you fit with that job, so sila yung maghahanap ng client that will fit your skill sets and your expertise, 'di ba? Whereas kung freelancers lang tayo, so, ayun, tayo talaga yung maghahanap ng mga client na fit sa atin. So, ayun, and then next, so global workforce. So the VA industry has a global reach with virtual assistants serving clients from around the world. So clients can hire VAs who best fit their needs regardless of location. So ayun, may different client tayo, diba, na from mostly yung mga clients naghahanap ng VA is mostly from Australia or US. So and then there are clients din naman who's looking for a VA na mga taga UK, or pero medyo madalang lang yung mga taga UK compare sa mga taga US and Australia talaga. Parang sila jud ang sila jud ang kanang murag usually nagapangita og mga VA. So regardless kung asa pa man ka nga lugar kung need jud nila na need nila someone na VA so they can hire you naman. So ayun, okay.
Okay, ayun. Yeah, okay. Thanks, Jude. So next, cost effective. So one of the reasons pod na nag-hire og mga VA sa karon, it's because it's cost effective. It can be a cost effective solution for businesses because they can access skilled professionals without the overhead costs associated with hiring full-time employees. So most of the VAs man good kay ano 'di ba kanang part-time or like what Judy said earlier, freelancers lang. So dili siya under a company. So walay like ang uban ha, but that is not recommended. Ang uban walay contract or ang uban is independent contractor agreement, meaning you're not really an employee. Ikaw lang mismo, murag lang mag business to business lang na ano ba na agreement good na you provide services and then they like benefit from your services. Inana lang siya na set up, dili jud employee. Unlike kung magkuha sila employee, then from their area from their location pag yun, mas mahal, 'di ba? Kay mas mahal man dito. So dire we can be hired at a lower cost. Pero sa ato dako na to siya na rate. But sa ilaha gamay lang to. So para sa mga ano taga UK or US or Australia mas cost effective siya. And also, kung mag-hire man gud sila og full-time employees didto sa ilahang lugar, di ba daghan kayong mga benefits like ang uban na apay free lunch or free dinner and then they would go to ano pa outside, mangaon pa sila after meeting ana. So unlike dire wala diri meetings na naay kaon naalay uban na kanang naay companies gyud na maghatag sila mga voucher na magpakaon sila o kana dagko na jud kayo to ng mga VA companies. So, but most of the time, wala dyan mga inana na gasto. Walay car or walay pa fuel, walay mga inana, diba? So, mas makasave sila. Specialization. So, some VA specialize in specific areas such as legal support or marketing or IT, bringing expertise and industry-specific knowledge to their clients. So, that is also one thing na gina-offer sa mga VAs. Communication tools. So VAs rely on a variety of communication and project management tools, such as video conferencing, like this tool. This is one of our favorite communication tools, yun, ang LARC. So this may sound new, pero yeah, same naman siya sa Zoom or sa Slack or sa pa like messaging app. But kani siya mostly for teams good or kanang for VAs good kay kanina ay video, pwede mag-chat, then pwede po makasave o mga files, and all that. So, kana kung VA ka, you must know all these communication tools. You must learn, you must try, kay particular ang ubang mga clients sana. Like, they would really ask na, I really need someone na how'd mag-Zoom, for example, they would say. Then you would think, once day na sa Zoom, nganong kailangan how'd man? Because naaman to yung mga breakout rooms, 'di ba, sa Zoom. So dapat kabalo ka mag-handle ato or as simple as mag-share og screen, 'di ba? Like sa una lisod kaayo na nakoy kadali lang mag-share og screen no suma makulbaan pa ta. So syempre as a VA dapat kabalo ka ana katuon ka ana as simple as sharing your screen kanang ma-share jud siya, ma-share gid imong audio, mga ana ganing ginatun-an gid na siya as a VA. Email, 'di ba? We would think na, email, oo, naman ko email, ana. But there's more to that. Like, you will manage the email. So, dapat kabalo pud ta ana, how to, kuri-kurion ng settings sa Google or aside from Google, there are a lot of other email apps and then other clients, they don't use Google for security purposes kuno. Or they have like Outlook ba diha ilang ginagamit or di kaya sa na sila sarili jud nila na ano na other apps. So dapat kabalo jud ta na mga other email what do you call that? Uh what's that? Email service. Yes. Okay. So messaging apps, labi na messaging apps. Like Slack, I think most VAs right now or everyone working remotely, they use Slack. So dili murag red flag jud kung mogamit og Messenger kay 'di ba? As you can see ang Facebook Messenger is kalat kaayo, walay topics. And then dili ka sure murag dili siya secure kay tanan na Facebook so pwede nimo ma-chat dayon 'di ba ang uban. Unlike kung you have Lark or you have Slack and kabalo ka ana as a VA so dapat kabalo jud ka ana. So kana ano siya, secured siya and then only your team members or only your clients are there. So kana siya one thing po na. And project management software like well you'll know more about that in this entire bootcamp later on in the coming days. But yeah, there are a lot of apps na in the corporate setting, I'm not sure if they are using that. I think most remote workers lang yun ang nagagamit ana, which we should learn as VAs, as aspiring VAs. Because we use all that to effectively communicate with our clients. Kaya dili man jud ta makita. Siguro ako, I can say na sa tanan naging client ako, wala pa jud ko nakitaan ever sa pila ka years. So, 'di ba, in this lifetime siguro di jud nato na makita atong client no. So dapat effective ang ato ang communication by using these communication tools. So kana dapat matunan nato. Client relationships. So building strong client relationships is crucial for VAs because mo na ito ako ang na-mention lahi-lahi ta og culture, lahi lugar, lahi tag time zone and never pa nato sila na meet ever or siguro never na dyan nato sila ma-meet. So dapat ma-build yun ang ato ang relationship through communication. Trust, effective communication, trust, and understanding their needs. Those are essential for long-term success. And also professional development. Many VAs invest in ongoing training and professional development to stay updated with industry trends and maintain or upgrade their skills. So nakiuban, this bootcamp is specifically for aspiring VAs man or like bago lang nag-start. But others, they also offer like bootcamps or seminars, webinars for VAs na daan, who are currently VAs, who want to upskill, kumbaga mag-add og skills nila, mag-add og more learning. So, kana, many VAs invest on that as well. Invest because not all webinars are like this, na free. Most of them are paid yun. So, we really have to invest on those para we can learn more. It depends. Ang uban magud maka-learn through experience. Ang uban can learn through kanang mga courses, kaning mga inani na setup. So, if you are that type na you learn through that, then it's really best to invest on that. Okay, so ethics and confidentiality. So kana it's also one thing na gina consider no sa mga clients kung magkuha sila og VAs, ang ethics and confidentiality. There is among team, kami ni Judy, there is a team namo sa TNCO, kay, for example, we get a client, then they would really ask if masecure ba daw ang ilang mga files or ilang email and all that, ang confidentiality daw ani, and they would really ask that because, of course, they don't know us, and then lahi ang culture nato, syempre, or lahi ang atong mga laws, actually, di ba? Mga laws sa lugar. So, VAs often handle sensitive information for their clients. So, we should really maintain strict ethical standards and ensure data security and confidentiality are paramount. So, for example, with that situation that we had with a client before, nag-sign may og non-disclosure agreement, kana NDA, ana ang uban nagapasign sila ang mobuhat yun mismo ana, or a part of our contract with the client is naana siya na we'd really implement strict confidentiality and of course we really make sure work ethics sa ato ang team. Okay. And then, okay, Judy, let's go with the next.
Okay, so market demand. So the demand for virtual assistant services continues to grow as businesses seek to streamline operations, reduce costs, and focus on core activities. Entrepreneurs and individuals also turn to VAs to free up their time. Okay, so yeah, so usually mao ni siya nga naga-seek og VAs ang ato ang ang mga client kay, yeah, kanang busy na gud kayo sila. So kailangan nila og time for theirself or for other things na mas, mas ikuha nila ilang focus dito. So kailangan nila someone like us VAs para mo help atong other things like katong na-mention ganiyang ni Tam, katong mga services like katong sa mga emails ana sa mga unsa pa ba na diha nga ano, na need nila og help na kanang mga kanang mo-take good og time. Usually ang mo-take man og time sa mga clients gid 'no kay ang emails kay magbaha man jud na ilang emails usahay. So kana mao gyud na ilang ginapa-help kay para, sila maka-focus pud sila mangita og let's say for example client pud nila like para mokuan sa ilahang, gina-offer or unsa ba and then so kana so kadto tanan mosulod kailangan gyud nila someone nga mokuan ato. So kana mao na siya nga ano, nagapangita gid sila og mga VAs, it's because, kailangan nila mo focus sa ubang bagay para ano, para ma-streamline ang ilang processes and everything. So, next is entrepreneurial opportunities. So the VA industry provides opportunities for individuals to start their own businesses, serving as VAs themselves or establishing VA agencies. So, overall, the virtual assistant industry has become a vital component of the modern workforce, offering flexibility, cost efficiency, and a wide range of services to support businesses and individuals in an increasingly digital and remote world. So, so yes, kani for example lang po sa mga 'di ba like VAs may before ni Tam and then kanang murag ano, murag nagka-opportunity mi nga um, mag-create aning team para sa other people na ano, na gusto pod maging VA soon, 'di ba? So kadto siya and then, sige unsa pa? Kadto tapos, and then also napoy ubang VAs na mag-ano sila, tawag ani, maka-start sila own business nila, 'di ba? Like maka-help sila og other people to gain more opportunities and everything. So
Correct.
kadto,
Yeah, ibig
napaka
like
i-add.
this is the last one na. So yeah, lastly and like the most important one put in this list of things na we should know in the VA world is kani gina mo pinaka level up na nina, you'll have entrepreneurial opportunities na you'll not just stay as a VA but you can also have your own business, be an entrepreneur. So it can be na I know one VA na naging workmate na ko before na ang iyang client nagbuhat og katong VA team. Then siya ang gikuha na owner ni client. Because 'di ba they can't own fully. They are here in the Philippines, 'di ba? Ang mga mga AFAM dili pwede, 'di ba? So kato si VA niya for a long time, gikuha niya as owner dari sa Philippines. So siya ang naging president sa katong VA team. So it can be like that. Maswertehan kasi mo ang client na magka-business ka out from it or i-partner ka niya sa iyang business like kato siya na product na sa US and then dalhon nila diri sa Philippines na ikaw ang ano diri, di ba? Like head diri sa Philippines or ikaw ang tag-iya diri. It can be like that. Basta maswertehan lang jud. Pwede man, pwede. Or if not, like me and Judy, like wala mi nag-connect with a client but kami lang jud mismo gi-try na mo build ni siya maski gamay lang ni siya na team gi-try na mo siya og build na kami lang Filipino lang mi tanan and then not really thinking na mag-business gyud actually pero para maka-help lang gyud og others like this one like what we are doing right now.